A father and his daughter were playing in the park. His young daughter spotted an apple vendor. She asked her father to buy her an apple. Her father didn't bring much money with him, but it was enough to purchase 2 apples. His daughter held 1 apple each in her 2 hands. Then a father asked her if she can share 1 apple with him. Hearing this, his daughter quickly took a bite from both apples. The father was surprised. He wondered what mistake he made raising his daughter that she acted in such a greedy way. His mind was lost in thoughts. Perhaps he is just thinking too much. His daughter is too young to understand about sharing and giving. His smile disappeared. His daughter with an apple then said, "Father, have this one. This one is much sweeter." Her father was speechless. He felt bad about reaching to a judgment so quickly. But his smile came back now, knowing why his daughter quickly took a bite from each apple. Don't judge anything too quickly. Always spare a time to understand things better. Father and son had been arguing for months about the bad influence of the son's best friend. Every attempt by the mother to reconcile them failed. For her birthday, she wished for a trip to the forest. The son agreed, but only if his best friend could come along. When the day came, the mom was ill but wanted them to go anyway. The best friends promised each other that they would remain united in any case of danger. Suddenly, they saw a large bear approaching them. His best friend and his father climbed a nearby tree, but the son failed to climb. So being led by his common sense, he lay down on the ground breathless, pretending to be a dead man. His father, seeing the bear coming closer, jumped down the tree and lay down on his son's body to protect him. He whispered to his son, "Whatever happens, don't move. I love you, son." The bear came near. It smelt at the son's ear and slowly left the place, because the bears do not touch the dead creatures. His best friend on the tree came down and asked, "What did the bear at your ear?" The son realized the endless love of his father and replied, "He told me how lucky I am to have such a father and how much I love him."